creating UI automation in 5 minutes with Testara Agentic skill. In this demo, we will keep it simple by creating UI automation for the SauceDemo page. First, we prepare the project directory. Before starting, make sure the environment already has Java 21 installed. Next, we install the Testara Agent skill from the provided link. Now, let's open our project directory using an IDE with an AI assistant. In this case, I will use Visual Studio Code. The goal is to let the agent work directly inside the project directory, so it can scaffold files, generate automation code, and run the test from the same workspace. Once VS Code is open, we can start by giving the AI assistant a clear prompt. For example, create automation for www.saucedemo.com, cover login positive scenario, login negative scenario, and add to cart scenario. Then run the test. This prompt gives the agent the target website, the expected test coverage, and the final execution instruction. After receiving the prompt, the agent will spawn the Testara MCP. This is where the agent starts using Testara's automation-specific capabilities instead of relying only on generic code generation. The first thing the agent does is ask for the Testara guide. This helps the agent understand the available commands, expected project structure, conventions, and recommended automation pattern. By doing this, the generated code should follow the Testara flavor instead of becoming a random automation implementation. Next, the agent uses Testara init. This step scaffolds the base project structure. It prepares the directories, configuration files, build setup, and baseline layout required for a Testara automation project. Once the structure is ready, the agent uses Testara Bootstrap. This step generates the custom flavor syntax and framework-specific building blocks. For UI automation, this can include page definitions, actions, locator structure, hooks, and other reusable components. After that, the agent uses Testara plan. This step creates a high-level automation plan before writing the detailed implementation. This helps the agent map the requested scenarios into feature structure, page objects, actions, and test execution flow. Once everything is set up properly, the agent starts generating the automation. It creates the feature file supporting page elements, reusable actions, and any glue code needed to run the scenarios. Next, the agent compiles the project. This is important to confirm the generated files, dependencies, imports, and Java code are structurally correct. If something is missing, the agent can inspect the error and fix it before running the test. After compilation succeeds, the agent starts running the test. The browser opens, the scenarios are executed, and Testara performs the UI actions based on the generated automation flow. This includes validating login behavior and adding an item to the cart. Finally, the agent gives us a summary of the automation. It explains what was created, which scenarios were covered, and whether the test execution passed successfully. All in all, the process is pretty straightforward. With Testara Agentic skill, creating automation becomes faster, more guided, and easier to maintain.